Many people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a brand new television, only to discover that the audio experience doesn't match the impressive picture quality. While modern TVs continue to become thinner and more stylish, audio performance often takes a back seat. That's why adding a dedicated soundbar can completely transform the way you enjoy your favorite content. Today, we're checking out the 100W TV SoundBar Speaker 2.0 channel home theater sound system with built-in subwoofer and remote control. This compact audio solution is designed to deliver bigger sound, deeper bass, and a more immersive entertainment experience without the need for a complicated speaker setup. At first glance, the soundbar features a sleek and modern design that complements almost any television setup. Whether placed on a media console or mounted beneath a TV, it blends seamlessly into your entertainment area while adding a premium appearance. The real highlight, however, is the audio performance. With 100 watts of power, this soundbar offers a significant upgrade over standard TV speakers. Everything sounds louder, fuller, and more detailed. From action-packed films to casual YouTube videos, the improvement is immediately noticeable. Movie lovers will appreciate the enhanced cinematic experience. Explosive scenes feel more powerful, sound effects become more realistic, and background audio gains additional depth. Instead of hearing flat and compressed sound, you'll experience a richer and more engaging audio environment. Voice clarity is another area where this soundbar performs exceptionally well. Many televisions struggle with dialogue, making it difficult to hear conversations clearly during movies and TV shows. This system helps bring voices forward, allowing you to enjoy content without constantly adjusting the volume. Music playback is equally impressive. Whether you're streaming playlists, listening to podcasts, or enjoying live performances, the soundbar produces a fuller and more balanced audio profile. Vocals sound crisp, instruments have greater separation, and bass frequencies add warmth to every track. Gaming enthusiasts will also benefit from the enhanced sound capabilities. Modern games rely heavily on immersive audio effects, and this soundbar helps bring those details to life. You'll hear environmental sounds, dialogue, and action sequences with greater impact, making gameplay more enjoyable. A major advantage of this model is the integrated subwoofer. Instead of requiring a separate bass speaker that occupies additional space, the built-in design delivers stronger low-end performance within a single compact unit. The result is deeper bass and a more exciting listening experience without cluttering your room. Convenience is another strong point. The included remote control allows you to manage volume levels and audio settings quickly and easily from your couch. This simple addition makes everyday use much more comfortable. Setup is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Unlike traditional home theater systems that require multiple speakers and extensive wiring, this soundbar can typically be connected and ready to use within minutes. It's a practical solution for anyone seeking better sound without technical complexity. One of the most appealing aspects of this soundbar is its versatility. It's ideal for movies, television shows, gaming, sports broadcasts, music streaming, online content, and more. No matter what type of entertainment you enjoy, better audio can make a noticeable difference. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system without spending a fortune, this soundbar represents excellent value. It combines strong audio performance, simple installation, modern design, and convenient features into a single affordable package. If you're ready to enhance your movie nights, gaming sessions, and everyday viewing experience with more powerful and immersive sound, this 100W TV soundbar speaker is definitely worth considering. Hi guys, if you want to buy this 100W TV SoundBar Speaker 2.0 channel home theater sound system with built-in subwoofer and remote control, then please visit the link provided in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and technology-related content.